Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to disable Gmail notifications on your phone. Sometimes those constant pings and alerts can be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or enjoy some downtime. Luckily, turning them off takes just a few seconds. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, unlock your phone and head over to the Settings app. This is where you control everything related to how your device behaves, including which apps can send you notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll until you find the section called Notifications. Tap on it. This part manages all the alerts, banners, and sounds that pop up from your apps. Next, look for App Notifications. Tap there, and you'll see a full list of the apps installed on your phone. Each one has its own toggle switch, so you can decide which apps are allowed to grab your attention. Now, scroll through the list and find Gmail. When you see it, tap on it or simply locate its toggle. At this point, all you need to do is turn that switch off. When the toggle is off, Gmail will stop sending you notifications completely. No more buzzing in your pocket. No more little red badges trying to pull you back into your inbox. And that's it. You've officially disabled Gmail notifications on your phone. You can still open Gmail anytime and check your emails whenever you choose, without constant interruptions. If you ever decide you want those alerts back, just return to the same place in your settings and toggle Gmail back on. Taking control of your notifications is one of the best ways to reduce distractions and create a bit of peace during your day. Now that you know how quick and easy it is, you can decide which notifications truly deserve your attention. Thanks for watching.